This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, March 19th, 2011. Let's first take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a large storm system out over the western part of the country with a large line of cloudiness extending from Colorado and Kansas off into the east. That is the cold front that moved through the state yesterday, bringing cooler temperatures. The watch warning map shows most of the interesting weather over California and Nevada, flood watch over North Dakota for river flooding, and a few flash flood warnings over West Texas. Here's the QPF chart. This is over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock. You can see rain amounts have been increasing over the last few days. Upwards of 1 inch of rain, mainly over the eastern 3/4 of the state, with lesser amounts to the west. Let's look at it here. This is the Jersey GFS model run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see there's that big upper level feature over the Pacific Northwest with a little bit of a ridge over the center part of the country. Down below, this will probably be the driest day of the next few, as you can see some moisture to the south in Kansas and Oklahoma. That'll be reaching here by tomorrow. Here's Sunday at 1 p.m. You can see a low over about Sioux City. There could be some rain, showers, some isolated thunderstorms, be several rounds during the day on Sunday. We move ahead to Monday. There could still be some rain or a few showers in the area. It will be mainly dry, but another round of moisture, as you can see to the south, as the front is kind of meandering. Here's Tuesday afternoon. You can see here comes the trough ejecting from that upper level low that was off the Pacific Northwest today, and down at the surface you can see a low forming very close to where you saw it the other day, just to the west near Valentine, Nebraska. So another round of showers, thunderstorms that day, and this will be more potent than the last one. This is 6 hours later, about 7 p.m. Tuesday. You can see there will be quite a bit of rain with this storm. This will be where most of that heaviest rain you saw on the QPF chart will be. By Wednesday at noon, you can see that storm is moving off. That 540 line is moving over the state, so some of the rain may mix with some wet snowflakes or so. And by Thursday, the storm is out of here. Colder air, as you can see, very cold temperatures. We could see highs probably in the 30s, lows in the 20s. That'll continue into Friday here. You can see cold air still coming in, northerly winds, high pressure just over Manitoba. And we move ahead to Saturday. You can see the cold air is finally starting to retreat as another storm off to the west. We move ahead into Voodoo country. This is next Sunday. You can see a low over about St. Louis, 540 line. That could mean some rain, if so, or snow. Here's Tuesday, March 29th. You can see a vortex just to the south of the state. Down below at the surface, low over the Missouri-Arkansas border, 540 line very close. That could mean some wet, cold rain or some wet snow. And at the end of the forecast period on Sunday, April 3rd, here comes a trough over the western part of the country, ridge over the southeastern parts of the United States. At the surface, low over about Goodland, Kansas. Warm air moving in. That could mean some storms for the plains and possibly Iowa. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.